Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to create gold text effect in Canva. Open Canva in your web browser. Write any text in the area and select the font. After, select the text and go to Elements option. Click on any shape as you want, and in here I have selected a square shape. You can click on Add to your folder and select any color. Right-click here, click on Layers, and select the Send Backward option. Now change the text color to white. Click on Share and save the file. On the other page, paste the saved picture by adding black background. After that, select the picture and click on BG Remover. Now go to the Elements option and search for gold. Select any gold photo and paste it in your edited picture. Right-click here and tap on Layers by selecting Send Backward. Now click on Edit and change its background color. Adjust the picture and save it. Move to the third page and go to the Upload option. Upload that saved picture with a black background. Click on Background Remover and it will remove the blue background. Now you can change the font and you can edit the picture as per your choice. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.